Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you Proton VPN versus PrivadoVPN. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're hunting for an absolute best for free VPN right now, well, you have probably narrowed it down to Proton VPN and PrivadoVPN. Now, both of these services are incredibly safe and completely ad-free, which is a massive relief compared to most sketchy free apps out there. However, they are built for two different types of users. So it really comes down to what you plan on doing online. So let's kick things off with Proton VPN. Now, this is the absolute undisputed champion if you want a set it and forget it shield that you never have to turn off. Now, Proton's ultimate superpower here is that it gives you truly unlimited data with absolutely no monthly caps. Now, you can browse, read, and look things up all day long without ever worrying about meter running out. Plus, because they are based out of Switzerland here, you get world-class open source privacy protection that are completely audited. So the major catch is that with Proton is that they explicitly block torrenting streaming on their free tier, so you cannot use it to watch geo-blocked Netflix shows. So you are also limited to connecting on one device only at a time, and can only route through a handful of specific country locations. So meaning your speed can occasionally take a dip when those servers get crowded. Now, if we switch gears or start discussing PrivadoVPN, well, they take the crown for sheer performance and entertainment. Now, unlike Proton here, Privado's free tier actually supports torrenting and effortlessly unblocking major streaming sites like Netflix and Prime Video. Now, it is incredibly fast, often hitting blazing fast speeds in real-world testing that feels like a paid premium plan. Now, the trade-off here is the strict 10 gigabytes monthly data cap. Now, once you burn through that 10 gigs, they don't completely shut your connection down, but your speeds will drop to a very sluggish emergency light mode until your billing cycle resets. Now, it gives you a slightly wider choice of 10 country locations, though unlike Proton here, their software isn't entirely open source for public inspection. So, how do you pick between these two? Now, if you want a pure unlimited privacy blanket for secure web browsing and don't care about entertainment, well, go ahead and grab Proton VPN. But if you want a fast, powerful tool to unblock foreign streaming library or download a file, you don't mind staying under the 10 gigabyte limit, well, PrivadoVPN is definitely going to be your best bet here. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.